So lastly, you can use Excel to create charts to visually represent data instead of just presenting a range of numbers. You can use a lot of different types of charts. Often the type of chart you want to use depends on what type of data you're trying to show. So a pie chart shows a comparison between elements as a whole. Line charts are good for showing trends over time. Bar charts are used to compare different data sorted in different groups. You're not required to use these charts in those contexts, it's just generally what people expect. So to create your chart, first you're going to highlight a range of cells. We'll do A3 to E8. So here to here. Then you're going to go to the Insert tab, right here. And you'll have your charting options here. And there's a drop down that shows all of them. So we have column charts, line charts, pie charts, bar charts, area charts, and a couple different options for each. The web version has a lot less than the app version. So if you're on the app version, there'll be a lot more options. But these are what we have for the web version. So if I wanted to just make a simple column chart, I could just select clustered column. And it would just give me a chart that looks like this. So there's a number of different things you can edit about the chart. If you select the chart, there'll be a chart tab right here that shows you the different things you can add. You can set your chart title by clicking here and hitting edit. And we can call this weekly expenses. You could add axis titles just by doing this. So if I wanted a horizontal one, I could just add daily total. Or I guess this would be totals per company. And I'll just say companies. And you could add a vertical one the same way. If you wanted to edit your series names, you can click the format options here. So if for some reason you'd entered the wrong day, you could change Monday to Sunday or anything like that. And that would change it here. And if you wanted to add grid lines to help line things up, there's grid lines here. And you could display major and minor grid lines. And it's a little hard to see because it's a white background, but adding those made lines in here to help line things up. It's just hard to see with the certain background I used and the type of chart I have. But that would be how you can change the formatting options on your chart.